Can you open this, please?
Breezy Bree, toy review.
Hey guys, it's me, Breezy Bree. Today I'll be opening squishy balls. Guys, you know I can't wait to open this toy with you. But before I do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. Now, let's get opening. So guys, this is what came in the box. Glue solution, and we got like 3 of those. Glitter, rainbow ball, clear balloon, popsicle sticks.
Yes.
Then we have the activator. I got food coloring, we got funnel, and we got a plastic bowl. First we're going to pour this.
Glue solution inside the bowl.
Next we add 5 drops of the food coloring inside the solution. So next we're going to pour the bags of whatever glitter you want. I chose the blue glitter.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Now we take the stick out of the bag, then we mix it up together. Next we're going to pour the activator in. Now we mix it again. We mix it up and this is how it looks like. Next you have to attach the balloon to the funnel. So you pour everything in there. Try to pour everything in there. Look how it came out. Feels so good. This is literally like a fidget ball. And it probably is going to be my fidget bin. Guys, now we're going to do our second squishy ball. And guys, make sure to take as much air out of the balloon as you can. And this is our second balloon. I am going to do the last one and I am so sad right now. Guys, after you mix everything, you have to pour inside the balloon again. Okay guys, this is our last one and this is how it came out. Oh god, guys, I wish you could feel this. Guys, I hope you had so much fun opening this toy with me. And don't forget to be nice and kind to other people.